have a lot of visitors from other countries.
Yeah.
They come and get tattoos.
Get tattoos here.
And my point is, why dapat datoy pagkumatimon una nga agpatato, di ba?
Especially so if the design is a design or our tribal design.
Yeah. So what I do is, I sit down with them, I explain this is the tattoo. So what tribe you are from? Bagana o from Ifugao. And that's the thing that I show the designs. This is designed from Ifugao. This is your pattern. And this is also Ibaloy. This is Benguet. And they were like, ay, Dagayan Tikastoy. We never thought about this one. We never realized that we have tattoos. And then the butterfly became a fern. You know, the rose became a mountain. Kasi they were enlightened. And at the same time, they were the one who will spread nga, uy, Dagayan tattoos tayo. O, antayo ko ni Ate Wams.
So what's happening in Ate Wams Tattoo Parlor Shop is at the same time cultural education. Parang ganon. Kasi you're explaining their history, their ancestors' history through the tattoo design.
Actually, this is not a tattoo shop. This is we started this as a cafe. It's more on the cultural. I have the cultural dance group before, and then at the same time with tattoos. So it's it's 3-in-1, 4-in-1, 5-in-1. So it's ito nga di pagkaslang pagsasabata ng mga minti ko.
Parang kumbaga is general services for culture.
Something like that, yeah. So then that started, and then those elders, there's a gap anati gap the elders nga they appreciate tattoo in their age that no, the 50s and 60s data madidati tattoo. But 70s and 80s data di ko na ay malagip ko nilo lang ko dati tattoo na.
Yun so, yung mga the last generation maybe still, nakakita dun sa tattoo na parang common sa kanila when they were young.